Hi guys, this is heat installation guide for the main unit under the manhole lid. As you can see, we've got a 36mm hole there and the two 6.5mm either side. And this is really simple. All you'll do is the unit just goes straight in here. We'll have our bolts and 6 that we provide for you. Come through from the other side. We'll get our nice flat washer that goes on top of that. And we have our nylex nuts, which we'll also supply, go on top of this. And you can use just a simple ratchet like this one here. We've started off with this, but we found using the socket on a power drill is much more efficient and faster. Give you a flat screwdriver, which goes on the other side, and we have got the drive on here, and that is all it's going to take. Now, the unit doesn't have to be flush against the metal. What we're looking for is really on the other side that the lid is flush with the top of this unit. So the aerial sits flush in between the patterns. So if you're having any truck traffic or any lawnmowers in particular, that the aerial doesn't get damaged. So this is actually a little bit too high. So we need to back this off a little bit to show you. And there we go. This would have done the trick. Looking again now. This is nice and flush with the thread pattern there, and that works just fine. All you need to do is now put in the second bolt there, and you're good to go for the heat unit.